Ever pondered why arguments seem to be a recurring theme in relationships, even amidst the most tender moments? It could be during a candlelit dinner, two intertwined hands reach across the table, or during a quiet evening, as a couple shares a loving embrace, basking in the warmth of their shared affection. This is due to the complex nature of relationships, an extraordinary blend of personalities, experiences, and expectations. Conflict, often perceived negatively, is a natural occurrence within this tapestry of emotions. It's how we handle this conflict that can transform a disagreement into a loving resolution. Enter the intriguing world of Jordan Peterson, a renowned psychologist who asserts the significance of understanding and managing such conflicts to sustain a harmonious relationship. Peterson offers invaluable insights on this topic, casting a luminous beam on the core of conflict resolution. This is what we will explore as we step into the romantic setting of the So, what does Jordan Peterson advise about relationship conflicts? His guidance is in two parts. First, both parties must seek resolution. This means no pride or stubbornness. Focus on the relationship's well-being. Remember, it's not you versus your partner. It's both of you against the issue. He stresses on honest communication. This includes more than just complaints. It's about expressing feelings, thoughts, and concerns respectfully. Showing courage to reveal your vulnerability. Have patience to understand your partner's view. Peterson also suggests shared responsibility in relationships. Conflicts, he says, aren't bad. They can be moments for growth and deeper understanding. If handled right, they can strengthen bonds. Peterson advises it's not about winning, it's about understanding your partner. So, how can we use Peterson's advice in our relations? The key is wanting resolution over victory. It's about honesty and communication, and seeing fights as chances for growth, not setbacks. When we navigate through relationship trials, Peterson's advice should guide us to healthier, more understanding partnerships.